In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to schedule a Microsoft Teams meeting with guests in just a few simple steps. Microsoft Teams is a fantastic tool for hosting virtual meetings, especially when you need to include guests from outside your organization. Whether you're a seasoned professional or new to Teams, managing virtual meetings efficiently is crucial. Let's dive right in and make the process seamless for you. First, head over to the Microsoft Teams website. It's essential to know that having the correct credentials ready will make signing in much smoother. Once you're on the website, locate the Sign In button. It's typically located at the top right corner. Clicking on it will prompt you to enter your login details. Make sure your password is secure, containing a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols to protect your account. Now that we've logged in, let's move on to the calendar function. The calendar is like the beating heart of your scheduling activities in Teams. Look for the calendar icon in the sidebar, which gives you a clear view of your upcoming commitments at a glance. Select the calendar option and this will bring up a month view. Here it's easy to find the specific date you want to schedule your meeting on. Remember, planning ahead is crucial to ensure everyone is available, so you might want to reach out beforehand to confirm availability for key participants. Once you've picked your date, it's time to decide on a title for your meeting. A good meeting title should reflect the agenda, making it identifiable at a glance not just to you but to all attendees. Enter the meeting title in the designated field. Being concise yet informative will help set the right expectations for what's to transpire. Now it's time to invite guests to your meeting. On the same window, you'll notice an option titled People Who Were Invited. Clicking on this will allow you to add individuals from both within and outside your network. Simply enter the email addresses of your guests, making sure you use their preferred email for receiving such invitations. If you're planning a larger meeting, Teams makes it easy by providing an option called Everyone. It's a helpful tool when your meeting includes an entire team or department. With one click, your invites are sent across the board, making it less time consuming than adding each individual separately. Don't forget to click Save to ensure all your invitation details are correctly saved. Microsoft Teams also offers a useful feature to copy the meeting details, allowing you to send it via other platforms if needed. Once saved, click Copy to grab the meeting link, which can then be shared easily through email or chat for convenience. Remember, practice makes perfect, and the more familiar you become with the platform, the more proficient you'll be at using it. Now you're ready to schedule and conduct successful meetings with guests in Microsoft Teams. Happy meeting scheduling!